Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 now. I'm in Sterling Yercaud Resorts. So now morning plan is not planned as such, but still, we are going to the gym for some fitness, and I'll show you what all is in the gym. Like I showed you yesterday, park that area, games area. Okay, I'll show you the no, I'll not show you the route. I'll again show you the. So guys, just now we got to know that the gym is closed, so we are walking near the pathway or resort. So we thought of cycling, but the road is too skiddy, simply by risk. So we didn't prefer cycling now, but still we are walking.
It's raining.
And it's raining as well, but yeah. Okay guys, walking is completed and I'm heading back to my room for fresh up, and everybody has started batting in the breakfast area. we are like a bit late now. Me and my uncle went for walking. My mom, my mother, my aunt and my sister didn't come. So my mom and dad are ready. So I have to go and ready right now, and I'll show you what all the breakfast contains. And breakfast, lunch and dinner will be in the resort, and that's a dedicated plan which is 1800 per person. Okay, I'll meet you once I'm freshened up. Hey guys, I'm freshened up and ready. So now I'll be doing breakfast in the breakfast area, and the view is like this. It's time is 10, but still the fog isn't cleared. What to do? We have a plan to go for Kaveri Peak, Hillir Falls and Poppy Hills. And Poppy Hills is for activities, not a resort or a hill. So I will show you what all items does the breakfast buffet contain. So guys, just now I completed breakfast. I must say the breakfast is very good, and I'm filled till here. Not here, more than my head. And now the weather still not changed, the same. And like we don't we are not planned yet if we are going to Hillir Falls, Poppy Hills or Kaveri Peak, because Kaveri Peak will not be visible now due to this fog and mist. So I think we'll be going to Hillir Falls. After that, if the mist is clear and the fog is clear, then we will see for Kaveri Peak. If not after that, then we are going to Poppy Hills. Or we have one more point, which we can do boating in the Yercaud Lake, and we can visit Lady Sea as well. So let's start going to our activity destination. Guys, you can see this. Still the mist and the fog is not cleared. How will we go for sightseeing? We're only spotting out fog, and it's raining also right now. Man, this rain spoils the whole motive of the trip. Guys, it's very steep, so please walk carefully. And here's the entrance. It's written in Tamil, so I cannot show it to you. And please don't take your car there because it's very steep. I must say it's very steep. We are getting the water sound. I don't know if my mic is capturing it, but still the steps are too steep, so keep in mind and come. And always say be careful. Guys, after trekking so much, we get this. So guys, just now I completed lunch here, and lunch is also in the resort. As I told, it's an included package. So now the weather is good. You can see still the fog is not clear, but you know, we have good weather. So first we have two things to cover today. One is Kaveri Peak, and another one is lake boating. So after that, we'll come back to the resort again, like as usual. Yesterday, Housey, this one guy, okay, he shouts to okay, like that, okay. So I'm getting good network when I come near the restaurant area, and I must say the parking is also well, maintained. You won't be getting any problem for parking. And here was I went 250 steps trekking to Kiriel Falls. Wait, what is it? It's Cleo's Falls. So there, instead of trekking there, my friend told, you can see the water is going down there only. And drove right over. So we have two things to cover today. If we cover that, and tomorrow back to Bangalore. Okay. I will meet you once I'm in Lake or Kaveri Peak. Guys, we came for boating, and you can see there's boating going on here, and that's the lake. I'll display the prices and I will say it as well. It's 3-seater is 150, 5-seater is 200, and one speedboat full round it's like 600. For it's 8-seater, you can book how many ever seats you want. Okay, I'll show the boat view. I'm ending day 2's video right now. Okay, and the mist is not cleared yet as usual in the morning, and I'm going for a long walk near the resort. And here I'm not getting any signals, so I'm not able to post any Instagram stories, reels, not reels, Instagram stories and posts. So That's why I have to go to the reception there. My 4G is coming like very good. The speed is like 50 megabytes. Okay, then I will go for walking. I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Pranav Tota. And I'll meet you in another vlog. Till then, take care. Keep supporting. Keep commenting. Keep liking. Bye bye.